want to show you how we want your technicians to do digital inspections. So in a previous video, I showed you in the management system, in Report Pro, Customize Multipoint, where to go out and get our initial templates that are going to help you really convey that message to your customer. What I'm going to show you here now is, what it looks like on the tablet. So, I'm going to go into the order on the tablet. And again, I got the split screen here showing you the management system view on both the tablet, and then behind the scenes you see the management system. I'm going to just go over to, the inspection tab here, and I'm going to click on the plus line. So all of the inspections that we've set up in Report Pro are there where we could choose from them here. And so in this case, I have a lot of inspections that are available to me. And I'm going to go ahead and, for simplicity's sake, just choose this comprehensive tire inspection. So, immediately I'm presented with all the inspection points that the user has complete access to customize completely. I'm going to go through a couple of scenarios here so that we understand what's going on. So the first thing I want to do is show you that we do have technician notes that are completely available, and you saw that in a previous video where to edit those. But by simply choosing the line under technician notes, in this case, we've already got all 30 seconds canned, ready to go. So I'm going to say that these front tires are really bad, that maybe they only have 30 seconds left in the tire. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that that's the problem with this tire. So immediately see that I've got a very good note here that the vehicle owner will be able to see on their side. I'll choose OK. And now to show you some of the automation features built right in, I'm just going to go ahead and choose the red option here. So the red option will automatically build this recommendation, and it's going to go into the management system as a recommendation. And before this video is over, I'm going to show you that screen so you can see it. These tires are so bad, I want to get them done today. And so I'm going to choose OK because I'm all right with all of this. And immediately now what I want to do is go and I want to take a picture of how bad these tires are. So got a nice little roll of tape here. Go ahead and take a picture. I put an X on that roll of tape to show, signify an injury. And what's happening now is the images are synchronizing. And I want to go back in, and maybe I want to annotate this. I want to show the vehicle owner, right there. That's the problem. So we can go ahead and circle that and draw an arrow. We can make a hand note on there, whatever we want to do. And our shops are taking between 7 and 10 pictures. Now, it's unlimited. You can take as many as you want. But between 7 and 10 pictures on the inspections that they're doing. And what I would say there is they're not only taking the pictures or the images of items that are bad. If the air filter is clean, we really want you to communicate that to the vehicle owner, that also the air filter is also, it's good. So, don't worry about that. So here we have the same thing. We got 30 seconds on the front passenger tire. And again, that's bad. And because we already have that in there, I'm not even going to add that as a recommendation. I'm going to go to the rear driver's side tire. And maybe the rear tires are fantastic. They're 30 seconds. And I'm going to say that they're green. And again, 30 seconds. And green. And so the progress bar at the bottom now signifies that I've completed 100% of this inspection process. So I'll exit out. It'll ask me if I want to mark it as complete, which will then send a notice to the service advisor. And what I want to show you over here now inside of the management system, when I go into this order, the vehicle tab in Mitchell is lit up. And the reason why it's lit up is because that recommendation that we had put in there for those tires are automatically in the management system, exactly where you, the shop owner, is expecting it to be. And now that information, those recommendations, if you're using a CRM service, they'll pick up those recommendations and send them out accordingly to how you want to communicate directly to your customer. But it doesn't go in as a note on the order. You don't have to copy and paste. It's automatically correctly placed inside the recommendations in this particular management system for Mitchell Manager.